Hey, hi, hello, welcome back at another video of Soaring Commerce classes. My name is SADIQ.M. In this video, I'm going to be discussing about a practice paper 1 for economics. Yes, Soaring Commerce classes is going to be presenting practice paper 1 for the economics students. If you guys are going to be watching this video and you are going to be practicing this question paper means practice paper 1 means you are going to be scoring at least 24 marks in your examination without MCQs. Match the following: 4 marks theory questions, 6 marks graphical questions. You are going to be scoring 24 marks in your examination. For the students who are going to be scoring out, for the students who are going to be getting at least passing marks means it will helpful for you guys. Okay, so without wasting time, I'm going to be starting today's video what you need to learn for getting 24 marks easily. Okay, so I have made like soaring commerce classes, the vision tutorials, practice paper 1 economics, practice paper 1 economics. So I have given like timings for 3 hours. I have set the timing 3 hours, 69 marks totally. If you guys are going to be learning this 69 marks means definitely you are going to be scoring 24 marks in the annual examination. Okay, so now look at here. What is the first one I have been taken is project oriented question. Okay, project oriented question. So the first project oriented question I have been taken from is theory of consumer behavior. So look at, we already know that the theory of consumer behavior consists of 24 marks. In that unit, each and every part they are going to be raising the question. I have taken the project oriented question from theory of consumer behavior. The question will be like this: a consumer wants to consume two goods. The price of banana is rupees 5 and price of mango is rupees 10. The consumer income is rupees 40. Okay, you need to answer the sub questions. So the sub questions will be like this: how many bananas can she consume if she spends her entire income on that good? Okay, next B: how much mangoes can she consume if she spends her entire income on that good? Option so sub question C: is the slope of budget line downward or upward? D: are the bundles on the budget line or equals to the consumer income or not? E: if you want to have a more of the bananas means you have to give up mangoes. Is it true? Okay, it is very easy question. For the first, what is the answer? How many bananas can she consume if she spends her entire income on that goodies? So what is the price of banana? It is 5. And what is the consumer's income? 40. If the consumer spends his entire income means he's getting 8 bananas. Okay, now if she consumes all the income for the mangoes means she can take 4 bananas with given income. Whether the budget slope downward or upward, it's always downward irrespective of question. It is always downward. Are the bundles on the budget line are equal to the consumer income or not? Yes, the bundles are equal to the consumer income. If you want to have a more of the bananas, you have to give up mangoes. Is it true? Yes. Is it? Yes, it is true. If you want to have more of the bananas means you need to sacrifice mangoes. So the next question which I have been taken is from national income accounting. Find out the missing values in the following table. They have given like 4 columns: production levels, total production, intermediate goods used, value added. So in the production levels, wheat farmer, flour miller, bread baker, retail shop, gross value added. So in the total production they have given like 1000, intermediate 0, value added nil. Next, total production nil, intermediate 1000, value added 600. So after that, total production 2200, intermediate 0, value added 600. Next, retail shop, total production nil, intermediate 200, value added 400. We need to calculate gross value added. So now total production 1000 plus 0, that is 1000. Next, floor 1000 plus 600, 1600. Next, 2200 minus 600, 1800. Next, 2200 plus 400, that is 2600. So the gross value added what will becomes for this one is 2600. Okay. Next, next question which I have been taken from the project oriented is market equilibrium. Draw a diagram for the following table. Identify the equilibrium point, identify the equilibrium price, equilibrium quantity, excess demand, excess supply in the diagram. So these three questions are very important for the project oriented questions. Definitely these three questions they are going to be asking for in the examination. You need to answer to. If you guys are preparing these two questions, means definitely you are going to be scoring 10 questions from this 10 marks from these three question. So the next 4 marks question which I have been taken is from the problematic question. So the first question which I have been taken is from theory of consumer behavior. Suppose an individual buys 15 apples at the price rupees 5 per apple, and if the price increases to rupees 7 per apple, she reduces her demand. So 12 apples. Find out price elasticity of demand. Okay, you need to find out price elasticity of demand when the prices of an apple increases and what is the quantity. Okay, next, the second question which I have been taken is from the theory of consumer behavior itself. Consider a market where there are two consumers and their demand for the goods as at different price level is given follows. Calculate market demand. We need to calculate the market demand. They will give the prices D1, D2 market demand. Prices they have given like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and D1 they have given like 10, 20, 20, 30, 60. D2 10, 16, 19, 23, 10. We need to add D1 and D2, then we will get the market demand. So these two questions from the theory of consumer behavior, problematic questions. So the next problematic question have been taken from theory under perfect computation. Look at here, the first problematic question. The following table shows the total revenue and total cost schedule of a competitive firm. Calculate the profit at each output level. Determine the market price of the good. Okay, we need to calculate the profit and the market demand. They will give the like quantity sold, TR, TC, profit, market demand. Quantity sold they have given like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. TR they have given like 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. TC they have given like 10, 20, 30, 50, 30, 35. We need to calculate profit and market demand. How we will get the profit means, so TR minus TC, 0 minus 10 minus 10, 10 minus 20 minus 10, 20 minus 20, 20 minus 30 minus 10, 30 minus 50 minus 20, 40 minus 30, 10. Next, 50 minus 35, 15. So the market price for the each commodity is 10, 10, 10, 10, because the TR increasing by 10 in every whenever the quantity is sold. Whenever the output going to be increasing means the TR also is going to be increasing. So the TR is increasing by 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 means the market price will be 10. So this question is from market equilibrium, theory under perfect computation, and this question has been asked in the previous year examination. So the next question I have been taken from the theory under perfect computation itself. So the question will be like this. Assume that 200 balls are produced by the firm at market price rupees 10 for each ball. When the price of a ball rises to rupees 30, produces 1000 balls. Find out the elasticity of supply. Okay, we need to find out the price elasticity of supply. Earlier in the theory of consumer behavior, we have find out the I have given the question like price elasticity of demand. Now you need to calculate price elasticity of supply. So the next 4 marks question which I have been taken is from 4 marks problematic question, market equilibrium. They will give like consider the market for cotton. The demand curve for cotton is Q is equals to 200 minus P. Assume that market consists of identical firms in which single of supply of single firm is Q is equals to 10 plus P at the price 20. Calculate the equilibrium number of firms. So what they have given like, they have given like quantity demand and quantity supply and price. We need to calculate the equilibrium number of firms. The next question they have given like for the problematic question is from determination of income and employment. The question will be like this. C is equals to 50 plus 0.85 and I is equals to 200. is the information given about a closed economy. You need to calculate the equilibrium level of income. Suppose the investment increases by 250, find out the new equilibrium income. You need to find out two equilibrium incomes. Once you need to calculate for 200. Next, you need to calculate for investment increase by 250. You need to calculate the new equilibrium income. The next, which I have been taken, 4 marks concept which I have been taken is write a component of government budget. You need to write the chart of government budget. Next, write the component of capital account chart. Next, component of current account chart. If these three charts you are going to be writing, means you are going to be scoring very good marks. You need to write these three charts itself. If you are going to be learning these three chart, means definitely one chart is going to be asking in the examination. So next, which I have been taken is 6 marks problems. So the 6 marks problems are very important from the examination point of view. You need to learn these 6 marks problems for the exam. So look at here. The first question which I have been taken is from production and cost. The first question they will give like this: find TVC, TC, AVC and SAC of the firm. TFC is 300. Okay, they will give like output SMC. We need to calculate TVC, TC, AVC, SAC. So if you guys are going to be calculating, means definitely you are going to be scoring 6 out of 6 marks. I already mentioned answer for this one. Who will not watch this my previous video, please do watch. The answer will be in the previous video itself. So the next question which I have been taken is from national income accounting. So this is the problematic question. Suppose the GDP-MP of a country in a particular year was 3000 crores, net factor income from abroad 500 crores, the depreciation was 450 crores, and the value of indirect taxes was 300 crores. Complete the following table. So they will give like identities, values, GDP-MP, GDPFC, NDP-MP, NDPFC, GNP-MP, GNPFC, NNP-MP. We need to calculate the values. So if you want, they are asking us to calculate the values. So if we are going to be calculating the values, means we need to know the formulas for calculating the values. Okay, so I already made a video for this one. Please do watch video for this one. I already made this video. Okay, so the next question itself is coming from national income accounting. It is similar to the first problem. If you know the first problems, means you are going to be solving the second problem. So here also the question will be same, but they are going to be asking the identities in a sub question. Look at here the question. Suppose the GDP-MP of a country in a particular year was rupees 1000 crores, net factor income from abroad was rupees 1100 crores, the depreciation was rupees 250 crores, and the value of net indirect taxes was 200 crores. Answer the following. Find out NDP-MP, find out GNP-MP, find out the NNP-MP, find out NNPFC. Which one is called national income? Is GNP is always greater than national income. Okay, if you guys are learning this practice paper 1, means definitely without writing any MCQ, fill in the blanks, match the following, theoretical question, graphical question, just you need to, if your guys are going to be following this practice paper 1, means definitely you are going to be scoring 24 marks very easily. If 100%, I'm going to be telling you that if you are going to be following this procedure, means you are getting 24 marks very very easily. For the next video, please do share this video and subscribe my channel. I will upload the practice paper 2. If your guys are going to be sharing this, and if your guys are going to be watching this, means definitely I'm going to be preparing the practice paper 2. Okay, so for the students who want to score good marks like in the economics, like 80 out of 80, so this paper is also important for them also, for you guys, and also for the students who are looking to get a passing marks in the economics. It will very useful for you guys also. So thank you for watching. Until that, bye bye.